Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the project and importing the pack. First, back up your current project folder so you can revert if needed. Then verify the scene pack format. Scene, pack, or zip, and choose the correct importer. Once done, open your editor and use File Import or drag the package into the Assets pane. This ensures resources land in the right folders, prevents collisions, and gives you direct control over where meshes, textures, and scripts are placed. Next, you resolve dependencies and align the pack with your project. Start by running a dependency check to list missing assets, shaders, or scripts. Then map the incoming assets to your folder structure. Move textures to textures /, meshes to assets /, and scripts to scripts / so references update correctly. Make sure required plugins and specific engine versions are installed. If not, install or upgrade them. Doing this avoids broken materials, null references, and runtime errors when you run the scene. Finally, configure scene settings and test the pack in context. Tweak lighting, layers, and render scale to match your project's visual pipeline. This keeps consistency and performance predictable. Then run a focused playtest on the imported scene to verify animations, physics, and event triggers. If something fails, check the console for errors, reassign any missing references, and reload affected assets. One key troubleshooting tip: if materials look wrong, recompile shaders and confirm texture import settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.